G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Beazos Mobile Cooking. Let's find a spot to pull over and do some cooking. Here we go, let's make some lamb pockets. Most of my ingredients are already pre-prepared at home. Get some capsicum. Capsicum gives a lovely crunch. So just about anything you want to cook. I've got some lamb mince here, which I'm going to mix that capsicum through. Pepper. Just a touch of salt. A little bit of mixed herbs. Garlic powder. Touch of paprika. And why not throw a little bit of parsley in there as well. Give it a good mix up. Give it a real good mix together. Looks quite nice. Now let's get bread, not white bread. You want to open it up. And gently add that mix into the pocket. Also want to add a little bit of cheese. And then make it all nice and flat. Whack it all in our air fryer. 180. Give her a start. Okay, now time to make us a sauce. Some Greek yogurt. A little bit of sour cream. Just a touch of paprika. Mix that all together. Some parsley flakes. And that should be quite nice, as you can see. Now let's give that a turn over. She's ready. Beautiful. How nice is that? Lovely. Listen to that crunch. How does that look, guys? Yum-o. Magic. Now let's add to that a little bit of cold slaw and our dipping sauce. There we go, guys. How does that look? That is spectacular. Doesn't get much better than that. Sit back, relax. If you enjoy this video, you'd like to see me make some more, give me some ideas of what you'd like to see me try and cook in the back of the car for you. Look forward to seeing you again in the next episode of Beazos Mobile Cooking. I'll have some more.